Pete Carroll won't really have anybody to yell at about this penalty when we see this play.
Yeah, it wasn't the sidelines. It was one head coach going to have to do the agility drills. A couple years ago, he'd avoid that. He'd get out of the way. And unfortunately, tell the truth Monday, it's going to be Coach Carroll. You'll see him right at the bottom of the screen, the official in full sprint. And Pete, the old safety, seeking out the collision point, can't get out of it.